Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Ivy, the Regional Sales Manager for Bicheng PCB. Today we are going to talk about a type of high-volume fiberglass reinforced microwave PCB, TLXA PCB, which offers reliability in wide range of RF applications. TLXA PCBs are ideal for use in radar systems, mobile communications, microwave test equipment, and microwave transmission devices. To begin with, let's see the datasheet of TLXA laminate. The dielectric constant tested at 10 GHz is 2.55. This is a low value among the decay values. The dissipation factor tested at 1.9 GHz is 0.0012. It is still very low even though getting 0.0017 at 10 GHz. Its dielectric breakdown is more than 45 kV. At higher frequencies, the moisture absorption is the smaller the better, with a typical value of between 0.1% and 0.2%. As we can see, the moisture absorption of TLXA is as low as 0.02%, a very good number. Then let's see the pure strength. The datasheet gives us 4 situations: 1 ounce and half ounces ED copper, 1 ounce reverse treated copper, and 1 ounce rolled copper. Their pure strengths are very similar to each other. All of them are more than 10 pounds per linear inch. Another important factor is the dimensional stability of copper. The datasheet gives us 2 situations: the stability in machine direction and cross direction after bake or with thermal stress. All of them are less than 0.1 mils per inch, and CTE in X and Y axis is similar to copper, which reveals again the stable dimension. These properties of higher pure strength and low value in dimensional expansion help the PCB undergo extreme environment at seat or wide range of temperature variation in the flight. There's TLX0, TLX9, TLX8, TLX7, and TLX6 in the TLX family. TLX materials are PTFE-based fiberglass laminates. They are versatile due to its 2.45 to 2.65 decay range and available thicknesses and copper cladding. It is suitable for low layer count microwave designs. TLX is noteworthy because it is available at a very thin laminate for copper type applications. TLX9 has the thinnest thickness of 2 μm, and TLX0 has the lowest decay of 2.45. TLX is workhorse in the world of RF microwave substrates because fiberglass provides mechanical reinforcement wherever they encounter harsh environments. For TLXA PCBs, we can provide you with single-side board, double-side boards, multi-layer boards, and hybrid types. TLXA PCBs have wide thickness. These are the standard thickness such as 10 mils, 20 mils, 30 mils, and 60 mils, etc. It is as thick as 2.5 mils and as thick as 250 mils for our designers. Finished copper on PCB can be 1 ounce and 2 ounces. Our maximum PCB size on TLXA is 400 mm by 500 mm. It can be a single board in the sheet and also can be different designs in this panel. Solder mask of green, black, blue, and yellow, etc. is available in-house. There's emulsion gold, HASL, emulsion silver, emulsion tin, bare copper, and OSP, etc. for past surface finish. Now on the screen is a type of 1.6mm TLXA PCB with immersion gold for the application of filters. TLXA PCBs also can be found in radar systems, mobile communications, antennas, mixer, combiners, and splitters, etc. TLXA PCB has tightly controlled decay. There's only plus and minus 2% variation from minus 55 to 125 degrees Celsius. It has a long space heritage and is able to experience severe environments, such as radiation resistance in space. From this outgassing test report, we can see total mass loss of TLXA is 0.03%. Collective volatile condensable material is 0, and the amount of water vapor regain is 0.01%. These values are very low, which get much higher result than the normal required value. Okay, this concludes today's video, episode 19. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next time.